So just talking about this, I just want the Medicare and I want to pick a Medigap plan. What's best for me?
Again, because there are many different plans, it's based upon your needs, really. It's based upon your current health situation. And the best thing to do is to contact a local branch office of an insurance company that provides Medigap plans in your state, and call them up and ask for a meeting with a Medicare specialist, with an agent. And oftentimes those meetings are free of charge. They're not obligatory. You don't have to purchase necessarily anything. Really what you want to try to do is to discover what your rights and options are under when you combine your Medicare, your original Medicare, and a Medigap plan.
Can I switch it? So let's just say that I'm coming from Florida or somewhere, and I have this Medigap program. I already have the Medicare. I start living in Virginia. Can I switch it? Or even if I live in Virginia, I have this plan, let's say B or C, Medigap C. Can I switch it to, you said it goes all the way to L, right?
All the way to L.
Okay,
right.
Can I switch it to a J, let's say?
Yes, you can. There are certain things to be taken under consideration that one has to be careful. As I mentioned before, Medigap plans are underwritten products. So therefore, unless you are on your initial open enrollment period, or you are during those specific times of the year when certain changes are allowed, which usually goes from November 15th through December 31st of every year. Other than that, you can change from one Medigap plan onto another. However, before you do so, if you are not during an open enrollment period, before you cancel your existing plan, wait and see if you get approved for the new plan.
So because these things are underwritten.
They are underwritten, which is a similar process, just like life insurance may be.
Getting a life insurance and whatsoever.
Right, exactly. So therefore, age and health play a part.
So would that be the only waiting period to get a Medigap coverage or anything?
Some companies may require a 6-month waiting period before totally covering you, and usually those relates to pre-existing conditions. But most Medigap providers do not impose a waiting period. So it's pretty much for the most part, coverage begins the day your application is approved. So again, remember, to switch, you have to be very careful, not only because pending upon health, you may not be able to get new coverage, so you don't want to cancel what you already have until you receive the new coverage, your new coverage is approved. But also because if you have a Medigap plan that dates back prior to 2006, your Medigap plan may also include prescription drug coverage. So if you're switching onto a new plan, it will not have drug coverage. So what you need to do is then you have to make sure that you also pursue a drug coverage plan under the Part D of Medicare,
yes,
so that you are receiving in the end equal benefit.